basically everything that we need for a story in bullet points. Okay, so this is what you call the mind map, where you already have the important details of your story. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start with Shashank, and we're going to create our introductory paragraph. So everybody's going to give me one sentence each that connects to the previous sentence, and that can be connected to the next sentence as well. Okay, so let's start with Shashank. Give me an opening sentence. This is the portion, okay, from your introduction right through your build up. You catch the reader's attention and you keep it. Go.
In a land far, far away, there lived a wizard with his poisonous talking mushroom and his psychic dog.
You can describe their house now. Yeah, Santiago, still your chance.
Not tree house. It's like he lives like under the tree. It's like there's a, like where fox like
Cave or
Like
foxes, that they have a hole under the tree and that's where they live. It's like he is like under. It's like there's a door that's under the tree. That has all the potions, and up there's just a telescope. Look outside, like on the leaves.
Put one more sentence for the introduction.
And inside the house, there was a table, a shelf with all his potions, and
a chair or a shelf?
it was a shelf with all his potions.
And shelf.
Good.
Good. Okay, so this is basically creating, right? You want to introduce drama. You want to create, you want to hook the reader, right? But if I put in a land far, far away, there lived a wizard and a poisonous talking mushroom and his pet dog. One day, an evil witch, right? I've already introduced the person who's going to create the problem. I'm not keeping my reader's attention, right? We want to keep their attention. So let's put this on pause for now, okay?
It's like, you mean like the witch is like for a surprise for the reader?
Yes. So when we are creating a problem, we are creating